Hi students, how are you? Are you ready to do some more work with gerunds? I hope so. Today we will check the homework I gave you last time. Remember, we had homework in the workbook. If you did not do the homework in the workbook, stop the video. I want you to do the homework by yourself first. Okay, it is important that you keep practicing. You do the homework first. When you have finished the homework, I want you to press play and you can watch the video. We will go over the homework together. We will check the homework together. Then we will do some more practice with gerunds. Okay? So get your workbooks and get ready. We will do the homework. Before we do, we are going to watch a quick review video on gerunds.
Unit 7, Lesson C. Gerunds after prepositions. Questions and answers. Watch and listen. Gerunds. A gerund is the base form of a verb plus ing. Gerunds often follow prepositions. For example, in, of, about, and for.
I'm afraid of flying.
Thank you for helping.
Preposition with gerund. We often use gerunds after prepositions in phrases with adjectives: excited about, interested in, and verbs: think about.
She's excited about going to New York.
They're thinking of buying a computer.
She is nervous about flying.
They are good at playing chess.
I am thinking about traveling.
Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Then complete the sentence.
She is nervous about flying.
They are good at playing chess.
I am thinking about traveling.
Watch and listen. Use what questions with an adjective or adverb and a preposition to ask for information.
What is she excited about?
She's excited about going to New York.
What are they interested in?
They're thinking about buying a computer.
What questions? Form what questions in this way: what plus is or are plus an adjective or verb plus a preposition.
What is she happy about?
What are they good at?
What is she nervous about?
She is nervous about flying. What are they good at?
They are good at playing chess.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about traveling.
Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Read the answer. Then complete the question.
What is she nervous about?
What are they good at?
What are you thinking about?
Watch and listen. Answers to what questions. You can use a statement to answer what questions with an adjective or verb, a preposition, and a gerund.
What is he thinking about?
He's thinking about visiting his grandparents.
What are you tired of?
I'm tired of driving in traffic.
Answers to what questions? To make statements, use this order. Subject plus am, is, or are, plus an adjective or verb, plus a preposition, plus a gerund.
She is excited about going to New York.
They are interested in buying a computer.
What is she nervous about?
She is nervous about flying.
What are they good at?
They are good at playing chess.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about traveling.
Check your understanding. Look at the picture and listen to the answer. Then complete the answer.
What is she nervous about?
She is nervous about flying.
What are they good at?
They are good at playing chess.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about traveling.
Let's review. In, of, about, and for are examples of prepositions. We often use prepositions in phrases with adjectives: excited about, interested in, and verbs: think about. Gerunds often follow these phrases. A gerund is the base form of a verb plus ing.
What are you thinking about doing?
I'm thinking about buying a car.
What is she afraid of?
She's afraid of losing her job.
What are they interested in doing?
They're interested in applying for a loan.
Phrases gerunds often follow: afraid of, excited about, famous for, good at, happy about, interested in, nervous about, sad about, thank someone for, think about, tired of, worried about.
I hope you found the video from the textbook to be helpful in explaining gerunds that follow these phrases. Again, it is important to practice saying these out loud at home. That way you can see them, read them, hear them, say them. You are doing all of it. So practice saying them at home. Okay? I will not say them again because I know they did them in the video, but I want you to practice saying these words at home. Okay? Now get out your workbooks. We are going to go over the homework. You need to turn to page 82. Page 82. Okay, the homework was on page 82, and I am going to go over this page, and then we will do some more practice with gerunds. So the directions on this page said to write the gerund of each verb. Okay, write the gerund form of each verb. And then after that, I want you to repeat after me. So you are not only practicing writing, but you are also practicing speaking. Okay, very important to speak with me. So the first one was done for you. Apply. How do we make these words gerunds? Easy. We're going to add ing. So apply becomes applying. Say applying, applying. Number 2, be becomes being. Say being, being. Number 3, buy becomes buying, buying. Say them with me. Number 4, find becomes finding, finding. Number 5, get becomes getting, getting. Now stop for a minute. Getting has 2 T's. That's a special spelling rule. When we have a word that has a vowel and then a consonant, vowel and then a consonant like this, we're going to put 2 T's. So get becomes getting, okay, with 2 T's. Lend, lending. Let me hear you say lending, lending. Lose becomes losing. Well, wait a minute. There's another spelling rule that we have to look at. Lose ends with an E. For words that end with E, we're going to take the E off and add ing. So you take the E off and add ing. So lose becomes losing. No E. Make also ends with an E. So make becomes making, M-A-K-I-N-G. Notice we took the E off, making. So look at number 9. It's another verb that ends with E. What do you think we have to do? If you said take off the E, you're right. We're going to take off the E and move becomes moving with no E. Open, opening. Say opening. Pay, paying, paying. Spend, spending, spending. Study, studying, studying. Okay, for words like study that end in Y, I want you to notice those words will still end in Y. Okay, so words that end in Y, we don't change anything. You add ing just like any other word. So paying, studying, both still keep the Y. And the last one we have here, wait, waiting. Say waiting, waiting. So if you need to still write these down, then you can pause the video if you need to make any corrections. Okay, you can pause the video and write them down. And I think you all know that the answers are in the back of the book, so you can also check in the back of the book if you need more help. Let's move on to the next section. So in this section, we have to complete the sentences. We are going to use the gerunds, the ing words, that we just did in exercise 1. So you have those in your workbook. If you are following along with your workbook, then you can still see the ing words. Let's look at number 1. He is tired of, he's looking at his watch. He is tired of waiting. He is waiting for the bus and he is tired of waiting. Remember, I said tired of usually means you don't want to do it anymore. Okay, it doesn't mean sleepy. It means I don't want to do this anymore. He is tired of waiting. And number 2, she is happy. What is she happy about? She is happy about buying a new car. She is happy about buying a new car. She's there and she's got the keys. She's buying a new car. He is interested in, And I see he has a loan application. So he is interested in applying for a loan. If you see interested in, something you want to do, okay? He is interested in applying for a loan. All right, let's look at the next ones. Number 4. She is thinking about, and she's looking at the savings account, and it says open a savings account today. So she is thinking about opening a savings account. Thinking about is our phrase, and now we have gerund following, opening a savings account. Number 5, I see he is going to register. It says want to study auto mechanics, register here. So he is excited about studying auto mechanics, okay? It looks like he is registering for school to study auto mechanics. He is excited about studying auto mechanics. And in our last one, number 6, I see she is filling out a credit card application. And it says she is afraid of, oh no, she's actually not filling out a credit card application. She's giving cash. She is paying with cash. And why? She is afraid of getting into debt. She is afraid of getting into debt. She doesn't want the credit card. She refuses to take the credit card application. Instead, she is paying cash. So how did you do on the homework? Okay, we will continue practicing with gerunds in this lesson. And now we are going to do a talking activity, a speaking activity. So, like I have been saying, it is very important, even though we are learning at home and not in the classroom, and we are not with our friends, it is very important for you to practice speaking English. Very, very important. So, in this next activity, I want you to listen to the question. Then I want you to repeat it. Repeat the question after me, and then you're going to answer the question. So listen, repeat, and then answer. Let's look at an example. We're going to look at the picture for number 1. I see a woman, and she is coming out of the bank. She looks happy. Might be a little bit hard to see, but she is coming out of the bank, and she looks happy. So the question is, what's she happy about? They give you the words happy about, and then they tell you the answer. Well, she's happy about opening a checking account. She's happy about opening a checking account. So say that with me. What's she happy about? Did you say it? What's she happy about? And then the answer, she's happy about opening a checking account. She's happy about opening a checking account. So we had to take the word open that you see under number 1 and make it a gerund. She's happy about opening a checking account. So in numbers 2, 3, and 4, I want you to say the question with me, and then when you say the answer, make sure you use a gerund. Let's look at number 2. I see 2 people there. There are 2 people, and they are going into a computer shop. Okay, it looks like they are going into a computer shop. So what are they thinking about? Repeat after me. What are they thinking about? And then what is going to be your answer? You try it by yourself, and then I'll say it with you. What are they thinking about? They are thinking about buying a computer. They are thinking about buying a computer? Let's look at number 3. I see a man there. It is probably hard for you to see, but he has a paper. It looks like a bill. And on the top of the bill, it says, overdue. Oh no. What is he worried about? What is he worried about? Say it with me. What is he worried about? And what is the answer? He is worried about being in debt. He is worried about being in debt. Let's look at our last one. What is he interested in? What is he interested in? Can you say it with me? What is he interested in? And your answer, he is interested in studying auto mechanics. He is interested in studying auto mechanics. Okay, let's look at some more examples. Number 5. What is she tired of? What is she tired of? Did you say it with me? Let's do it one more time. What is she tired of? And your answer? She is tired of waiting in line. Did you remember to use a gerund? She is tired of waiting in line. Let's look at number 6. What are they excited about? We have 2 people and they are buying a car. So what are they excited about? Say it. And your answer? They are excited about buying a new car. They are excited about buying a new car. Number 7. Oh no. We see a man and there's a little cloud above his head and we see a phone and it has an X on it. I don't know how well you can see the picture. What is he sad about? What is he sad about? Say it with me. What is he sad about? He is sad about losing his phone. He is sad about losing his phone. And number 8, our last one, number 8. What is she nervous about? We see a woman in a car. What is she? She is nervous about driving in the snow. She is nervous about driving in the snow. Okay, so that was some practice in speaking, asking questions, and answering using our phrases with prepositions and gerunds. So now I want you to continue your practice at home with gerunds. You can do page 83 in the workbook, okay? Go on to page 83 in the workbook. When you finish page 83, you can go ahead and do video number 14. I really miss you. I hope you're having fun learning at home. Bye-bye.